Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how you can fix the problem of driving anxiety by understanding it isn't a problem at all. It's actually a friend that's got a positive intention. Now this can sound a bit odd and many people think, well, hey, it's positive, it's my friend. No, it's not, it's horrible, it feels awful, it's ruining my life. Well, I recently made another video on this, but I was driving and it's hard to talk about this when you're driving, so let me expand on what I was saying in that video. A quick recap is quite simply, when you've got a fear of driving, the fear is just a warning signal. It's like your brain is going off and saying warning, warning, danger, danger, when there isn't any danger. So the way you overcome a fear of driving is not by fighting it. You don't conquer it, fight your feelings, fight the anxiety, because as I said in the previous video, your anxiety is a friend. Why would you fight a friend? Imagine I'm walking down the street and I'm carrying a heavy ladder and I'm struggling to carry it, and one of my neighbours comes up and says, hey, I can help you with that. I say, what, you're not going to help me? And I start punching my neighbour in the face when they want to help me carry a heavy ladder. If you are fighting anxiety, that's what you're doing. Remember that the next time you get told, fight your feelings, force yourself into driving, push through, expose yourself to the fear. There is no fear to speak of, right? It's your mind giving you a message. Now, what is the message? Well, the message is a warning, because what's happened is something from your past has happened which has heightened your amygdala. When I said the brain earlier, it's really the amygdala. And I've done another video I'll link to in the description about the amygdala. It's simply a thing in your head, like a danger sensor. It's like an alarm. And as you go through life, it fires up. Imagine you're walking down the street and someone jumps out of a bush. I've said this example before. Someone jumps out of a bush and they're holding a knife and it looks like they're going to rob you. Your amygdala will fire up, oh, danger, danger. And it chooses from fight, flight, freeze, fawn, or the fifth one you can learn in that video. Your mind will choose a response and it will do it. And if you have too many of these events, or too big an event on its own happen, your amygdala can't close. It's like danger, 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 and it gets so stressed it can't ever close. So when you're driving, your amygdala is saying danger, danger, there's danger, you're going to crash, you're going to die. You're not, and you know you're not, right? You can be sitting there thinking, this is stupid, I've been driving years, I know I'm not going to crash. Danger, danger, danger. This is your friend. Don't fight it, because this is way more powerful than you are. This is your subconscious. You're thinking with your conscious. This is hundreds of times more powerful. And if you say, calm down, or danger, danger, calm down, relax, breathe, and this thing's screaming. What makes it scream? Past experiences. So imagine your past experiences are trapped in here. You need to find what they are and remove them. What can they be? Divorces, jobs, bullying, debt, family, relationships, you name it. Any negative experiences in your life can be trapped in here. So the way you fix your fear of driving is to understand it's your friend. The panic you get is because your amygdala wants to keep you safe. Why would you fight something that wants to keep you safe? People who tell you to push through, fight the feelings, conquer your feelings, this amygdala is going to win every time, I guarantee it. People who say do driving lessons, it's nothing to do with driving. The driving is triggering off this. It's the panic alarm. It's danger, danger, danger. You won't fix it by driving, because all you're doing is firing this up more, and you're putting more in, more bad experiences, more driving lessons, the instructor that shouts at you, the angry instructor who just says, come on, do it, push through. All of these negative things get stuck in your amygdala even more. You're making it worse. You need to find what's stuck and remove it. How can you do that? Take one of my courses. My free course has over 400 videos, and there are pages of information on my website telling you how to use each one. You can do hypnosis tracks, you can do non-hypnotic methods. There are mini courses. Check out the hundreds, probably thousands of comments from people who have used it and got success. If you want to go deeper than that, you can do my premium video course, Road. If you want to work with me one-to-one online, you can, but you don't have to buy anything. If you want the help, it's there. But if you want to do it for free, go and do it for free. Let me know how you're doing. Send me in a video. Leave a comment. I can share your story on this channel. I do all I can to help people overcome the fear of driving for free. So if you work with your anxiety and don't fight it, don't fight this friend that wants to help you. Understand what its message is, find the problems it has and remove them, and let me know when you've done it. Check out these other videos of mine on the screen now, and you can contact me through my website firstdrive.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.